8 Ways to Become Rich According to Experts. Host Heat. Ever wondered how some people manage to grow their wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? The journey to becoming rich isn't an overnight process. It requires strategy, patience, and the right approach to managing money. Today, we're exploring 8 expert-recommended ways to build wealth sustainably and avoid common financial pitfalls. On-screen text 1. Avoid or pay down debt. Host. Our first tip is a crucial one. Avoid or pay down debt. Debt can be a massive barrier to financial freedom, especially high-interest debt like credit card debt. Experts like Robert Johnson suggest differentiating between good and bad debt. While student loans can be helpful if they lead to higher-paying jobs, credit card debt should always be avoided or paid down as quickly as possible. For anyone currently in debt, financial advisors recommend putting at least 20% of your paycheck toward paying it off. 1. Spend intentionally and minimize costs. Host. Tip number 2 is to spend intentionally and cut down unnecessary costs. This doesn't mean you have to live frugally, but creating a budget and knowing where every dollar goes is key. Ariel Acuna, a financial expert, advises developing a prioritized checklist for spending. That way, you're allocating funds to what truly matters, helping you build wealth over time. Section 3. Start saving ASAP. The sooner you start saving, the better. Laura Adams, a personal finance author, emphasizes that time is your best ally when it comes to saving. Even small contributions like $250 a month can grow significantly over decades. Compounding interest allows early investors to accumulate a lot more wealth. So even if it's just a small amount, get into the habit of saving consistently. Section 4. Invest in a diversified portfolio. Now that you're saving, it's time to make that money work for you through investments. A diversified portfolio, such as a mix of stocks, real estate, and even some speculative assets, is often recommended by experts. Jeff Burrow suggests a mix of 65% stocks, 25% real estate, and 10% speculative investments. Using tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or IRA first can also help you maximize returns by reducing your tax bill. Section 5. Work on your career. A solid career is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. Jeff Burrow advises against lifestyle creep, where you start spending more as you earn more. Instead, focus on saving more as your income increases. Look for opportunities to advance in your field, negotiate for raises, or acquire new skills that make you more valuable to employers. Section 6. Start a side hustle. Side hustles have become increasingly popular as a means to earn extra income. Whether it's freelancing, driving for Uber, or selling products online, a side hustle can help you bring in extra cash that you can put towards savings or investments. Jeff Burrow recommends finding 2 to 3 side hustles to maximize income. Section 7. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is essential. Life can throw unexpected expenses our way, from medical bills to car repairs. Financial experts advise saving 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses as a buffer. For example, if your monthly expenses total $4,000, aim to have at least $12,000 saved. This fund can help you weather unexpected expenses without going into debt. Section 8. Invest in your financial education. Our final tip is to invest in your financial education. The more you know about managing money, budgeting, and investing, the better equipped you are to make sound financial decisions. Experts suggest reading personal finance books, listening to podcasts, or attending workshops to stay informed. Financial literacy is an ongoing process, and staying educated helps you avoid costly mistakes. Closing. There you have it, 8 proven ways to build wealth according to experts. Remember, there are no shortcuts to becoming rich. Consistent effort, smart investing, and a strong foundation of financial literacy are key. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes that promise easy money. They often lead to financial pitfalls. Instead, focus on these time-tested strategies to grow your wealth sustainably. What wealth-building strategy are you most interested in trying? Let us know in the comments below. This video is made by Prince Ozzy, one of the last great royal family and hero of Iran that they lived in castle, is the same area that Persian King Cyrus the Great was. Iran has thousands of years of history. Many beautiful things came from Iran or called Persia, From Constitution of Europe and America to YouTube algorithm or the halo on top of Jesus' head, they all came from Iran 2,500 years ago. Cyrus the Great, he brought the first human rights in history. We all should try to have a better world that everyone can live in peace.